Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are in a Best Western Plus Canyonlands Inn, Moab, Utah. We had originally booked a king room, but when checking in we were informed we had been upgraded to a suite with 2 queen beds. So to start this walkthrough, you can see we have the 2 queen beds here. Great sheets, everything was super clean and fresh. It felt like everything was actually quite new on the beds as well. Past the beds, we have this seating area, which is, I think, what makes this room the suite. The sofa does convert into a 3rd bed if required. The area was really useful later on in the evening when we were back from hiking all day and just wanted to chill, relax and have a sit down. We didn't have to sit in the beds or squeeze around a small desk area. We had some drinks out both nights and then ended up bringing food back here because we just were super tired at the end of the day, and we just found this area a lot more convenient to eat. We didn't plan for having this space but ended up making good use of it and really appreciated the upgrade for it. Nice large window here, lets plenty of light in. The hotel we stayed before this, also at Best Western, was really dark even with the lights on, so this was a nice change, and of course the aircon under the window. Then we have a pretty decent sized TV, all works absolutely fine. Desk area, all providing some extra space. Here's the area you can see for your luggage, and behind here is a fridge, free to use to put your own bits in, and then a coffee machine on top. And then we come through into the first part of the bathroom, the vanity area with single sink and nice large wall mirror. And also behind here is where the closet and wardrobe is, along with the iron and ironing board. And then through the next room is the main bathroom with a 2nd vanity area. Again, nice wall mirror, the toilet and the shower, which is over a bathtub. It was a good shower, good water pressure. And there we have the room. This is room 103, which, as you saw earlier, is looking out into the parking lot. So no real view here, but it is near reception, which is convenient, but you do get a lot of people walking outside, which is the downside. The hotel itself is right in the middle of Moab, which is a great location. Plenty of restaurants and places to grab a drink. We had some drinks both nights across a bar from here. I think it's called Eddie McStiff's, I think it was the name. And then we grabbed some Thai food from a place next door, which had some really good food. We ended up going to both these places both nights and bringing the food back to the hotel just to eat at our own leisure. The hotel is a really good base for visiting the national parks. Arches National Park, which is an amazing place, was 20 minutes drive from here roughly. Canyonlands around 40 minutes drive, so nothing is too far. And there we have it, a quick look around standard room. There's some more photos coming up now just of the hotel and the grounds. We had breakfast every morning here included. Some more pictures here for you, so enjoy them. If you've enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up, hit that like button, really helps us out. Don't forget to subscribe, we've got loads more videos coming up. And until next time, I will see you then.